Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this device. Firstly, go into settings and scroll down. Now tap on lock screen, click on screen lock type and pick one of the options, pattern, pin or password. I will go with patterns, I have to click on it, then draw it, click continue over here, repeat it and click confirm. Over here you can disable notifications on your lock screen by clicking on the switcher over here. If you want to turn them back on, click on the same one. You can also personalize notifications over here. When you're done, click done. And now when I turn off my screen and turn it back on, I guess that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!